Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy J. Thank you guys for coming back and watching my videos. May God bless you. Yeah, and thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here or you have been here and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Mercy J. Yeah, so thank you guys for your support that you're really showing us. Yeah, as for me, I'm really thankful for the support that you are showing me, yeah, by watching my videos. Yeah, kindly guys, as you watch this video, kindly like as you watch, yeah, so that it can be recommended to more audience. And kindly guys, don't skip those ads as you watch. Yeah, so that the ads are the ones that are paying us, yeah, mostly, yeah, and the long watch hours, yeah, so those, all of them are adding up and showing and adding up, and they add so that we can gain something at the end of the month. Yeah, so guys, I'm here at my sister's place. Yeah, today I'll be taking you to a tour on our sister Evelyn 741 home. Yeah, and I'm outside the gate of Chalukush. Yeah, this side here, the gate, you can see it from the other side. Yeah, and right here is the gate of Evelyn 741. Yeah, so thank you guys for coming here and watch as we do this video. Kindly guys, go, let's do it together. Yeah. Oh, so guys, I was saying today I want to take you a tour on this place here. Yeah, so this place, yeah, they have just started leveling. Let me say it's landscaping or leveling. Me, I will say it's leveling because they're ensuring the level of the compound is in the same level. Yeah, they have started from here, and I can see they are almost done. You can see even down here they are almost done. You see from this space here, and you can see a lot of strings here. Here they are passing all over the place. Yeah, so yesterday they were bringing soil from the other places penye wamechimba so that they can fill this space here and to be in the same level. Yeah, and I think here they are done. I think today they will do here, they will do this place here. Yeah, and yeah, they will just come and do this place here. And from the far end there, I have my sister here. Hi Tracy, how are you?
Good.
You're good? Are you visible head? Kwa sawa. Niambia auto exposure. Ama ni jua? Okay. Okay, welcome to my channel.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Tracy and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting Mercy J. Your support means
a lot.
A lot. Yes, so I also have got a YouTube channel, and in case you've not subscribed from Mercy's channel to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Tracy_K is my channel's name. Yes, and watch my videos also. You can watch that playlist without skipping the ads. Yes, I've got a playlist. Kuna sijui videos ngapi sasa?
Sijui, but maybe when they'll confirm.
Yeah, confirm.
Okay.
Yes, so kindly support us, and we'll really be grateful.
Mewasha kamera ya simu.
I want to snap.
Okay.
Though my eyes are still swollen.
They are still swollen?
Yeah, I'm just from sleep, you know.
It's an early in the morning.
It's been 30 minutes since I woke up, so that's why my eyes are still swelly. Yes.
Okay.
But I'm here. We know we must walk this journey together.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you that question, but
no,
now
you've
just answered it. Tuendele.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, this is my best friend, my sister, my hata sina words. Words can't explain. Kwani ilikuwa nikusifu wangu?
Sina feel vizuri. I feel nice.
Sawa.
Wewe, do you know what it takes for somebody to call you a best friend?
Ni ukweli?
Hey, it's not easy.
Sawa.
Because you know, some people can do you a hala.
Ni ukweli?
Yeah. So it's a pleasure being somebody's best friend, you know? Yeah.
And sister from another mother.
Yeah, sister from another mother, best friend, but a sister from another mother. Yeah, it's only that God didn't make it happen that we come from one mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys.
Lakini could we come from one mother? Tungekuwa tunapigana.
Ukweli. Jue, me and Tracy guys behind the camera ni zingine. Not in a bad way guys, but in a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was telling them I want to take them a tour on this compound here. Okay. Yeah, I just started showing them the leveling where they have reached. Yeah, I think we can go around and show them. I can see they have this is the orange or the lemon.
Oh, it's a lemon.
It's a lemon. Acha nichune nisikie. No, if you want to confirm.
Mbona unasumbua mti ndogo?
Si pole.
You know, I'm an environmentalist and I don't like it when you...
Oh, okay.
It's still struggling
but
to
I've
grow.
just plucked this one.
You should smell it from... Yeah, ikikuwa bado hapa. Ai, masije.
Kuna kapest kama infest, ndio? See, imeanza ku dry up.
It's drying up.
Matawi. I think they should spray some pesticide.
Yeah. Because this one, if we decide to go the natural way,
itakauka. Even you see the zinaitwa aje? The hizi za juu kabisa. Let me say the stalks. Zimeanza ku dry from the upper.
Kuliko gana. Remember when you were still in primary school, we used to learn parts of
a tree.
Yeah. Kuliko gana. Kwa flower kuliko na petal, sepal, anther, stigma. And then how about I think it's just a stalk. Yeah.
It's just stalk.
It's a stalk.
Yeah, so they are drying, but they will
should do something.
Yeah, and I can see they have already watered.
Yeah.
Yeah, here guys, in the morning, they usually come and do curing before they start doing anything.
Yeah.
They do curing and they water for the plants. They water the plants around. Again,
you said remember yesterday you said that in your channel I should be helping you hold the camera so that uonekane more.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
You know it's your video, so
yesterday I was the one who shooting. Who was shooting yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh.
And now I notice now that you are holding the camera, nilionekana sana.
Ume notice?
Yes, but if I'm holding the camera in my channel, wewe unaonekana sana.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Now that's ndo kitu atukwa ijua from. Thank you for noticing that.
So you know we are learning these things slowly by slowly. Yeah.
So guys, I was saying in the morning when they come to work, they usually water everything.
Yeah.
They do curing. After doing curing, they water the plants around. You can see when the bougainvillea washa water.
Yeah,
they
watered it already.
When they were going in the evening, and today again they have watered.
And yesterday they did weeding.
Yeah. You can see how now the bougainvillea is
so clean.
The soil. Na zimekuwa umekumbuka?
Alafu there is that time when I used to water with Anita. They were really struggling. They were really struggling to survive.
Yeah.
Hata mimi sikujua zitafika kwa hivi.
And let me tell you, wait until they be like ile fence ya huko unaona ile, they will be like that. Let us give them some months.
Yeah.
Wakiweka mbolea, you know they placed a fertilizer. Sijui ilikuwa last week but one, you know. It was last week but one or last week.
I think it's last week but one, yeah.
Yeah. So we are waiting for them for flourishing.
And they're already flourishing. You see, they're responding to that fertilizer.
Yeah. Yeah, and guys,
see, like this one is
hapa.
Ishafikia hii height. Let me show you from
but
this.
It's almost, but after kuna mtu anakunjanga kuziingiza ndani so that hizo spaces zisibaki.
Okay.
Yeah, so is it trimming or?
Trimming is kukata. Hiyo kuziingiza ndani hivi. Guys, today they are doing that leveling thing. Ama wameacha. Na pipe.
Wameacha. Yeah.
Nothing.
Let's tukishafika huko, kinapofika huko guys, watakuwa washamaliza. Can't wait for us.
Yeah. Hey, we've been saying every day, you know guys, we'll show you how they use this level. Lakini unfortunately we've not been able to show you guys because they always do it while we're not there. At times they promise to call us but they don't.
And they can't stop doing their work because sisi hatuko.
Yeah.
So I was saying that kuzieka ndani, I don't know how it's
we should
called.
So tutatafuta kwa kajina.
Tutatafuta kwa kajina.
For in the meantime, let's just call it fixing. Fixing them inside the
zishikane so that they can't live a lot in big spaces.
You know, for the bougainvillea, it should grow as it tangles, you know.
It tangles. So
yeah, for it to be.
They will kunja here. They will bend it so that they can fix it inside here. Yeah, so that when they grow, ziki grow in uniform, not leaving some spaces. Yeah, and guys, you can see down here, easy. These ones are the grasses that they scooped. They scooped from this place. Yeah, so they can't do leveling na grass iko hapo. Si ikioza, it will leave some spaces. Na itasink sasa. So that's why they are removing the grasses
before they start leveling.
Yeah, before they start leveling. Like
the other place where they have already done the leveling, they first removed the grass.
Yeah, they removed the. You can see even here they are removing the grass. This place here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and okay, so guys, let's continue going this way. Yeah, and this place is looking good.
It looks nice. Maybe one thing I like about this leveled ground is the retainer wall.
Yeah,
I like the shape.
It's very good.
You know, when they had just begun, you could look at it and be like, mbona hawa wanafanya hizi vitu? But after they have done it, is now you get to understand. Oh, so this is what they wanted.
Yeah, so guys, I think Evelyn said that they are going. You see, after leveling to this string hapa, so no penye imefika. The place where they have reached, they are going to add red soil now. Mpaka juu ifike kwa retaining wall. It reach here. Yeah, so that's the wall.
So it is this wall that is giving the level.
Yeah, so they're going to level it ilingane kabisa yote.
Okay.
I can't wait to see the grasses first.
Relax,
they
chill.
Grass. Oh my
God. Grass. We are used to calling them grasses too much.
But ni mtuelewe tu guys.
Itabidi wameelewa.
Si ndio? Yeah, can we go around this way?
Let's start with this side today. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, the part.
Hey, I just realized in the morning I yawn a lot.
Wewe na unayoningi tu. Nasinja ni kulala. Yeah. So guys, at this place here, they just laid the pipe of taking water inside
now the inlet pipe.
Yeah, the inlet pipe. And this one is the pipe that will be.
Now this is the outlet from the tank.
Yeah, this. Yeah.
Okay,
outlet.
It's the outlet from the tank, but it's the inlet of the house. Yes.
Yeah, so it will be rotating. Maji ikiingia inakuwa west inaenda kwa septic tank.
Kabisa.
Hello.
Hesabu mtu wangu.
Hesabu. Yeah, so they laid the pipe until this point here.
Yeah.
That point here. Yeah, that point here. Sasa after they place the tank.
Yeah, the tank will be installed up there, guys. For those whom I lied to, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I was not sure.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So the tank will be wekwa huko juu. Are you seeing them very well?
Yeah.
The part which will hold the tank. Yeah, so the tank will be there. Then they will channel another pipe that will be the outlet from the tank to join this one down here. Yeah, they're going to place a gate valve here. Yeah, so that ipeleke maji kwa nyumba. Yeah, so that is it about this.
Right now you can't see how the pipe has been laid because they've already covered it. Yeah.
So and they've just covered it. Alafu this they have just left it even open so that they can know the point where the tank will the pipe will be fixed.
Yeah.
And guys, today the Tracy sasa anaweza panda.
Yeah. Guys, today it's only that it's still too early in the morning. I'm not so active.
You're not so active.
I'm not so active, but I would have done my thing.
I know.
Me and you, I would have shown you how the top looks like.
But tunaweza kuja tuchukue video huko short kidogo tu. But baadaye saa hii ni asubuhi sana.
Sai bado sija. My muscles are not that active, you know.
Okay, ni ukweli.
Yeah.
Okay, but this
is the ladder. Now
this is the ladder with the guards, ndio?
Yeah.
Let me stand from here.
The guard.
Yeah, is the ladder with the guards, ndio?
Enables you to
to
The
climb,
high.
to step until to the other part there. And guys, don't worry, the timber that were here, msianze kuuliza tulipeleka wapi. Yeah, we Evelyn and Tash, they give them out to, it's their uncle to Chalokush, sindio? Yeah, they give uncle to Chalokush so that they can go and make another fence, and some they can use as firewood. And these ones here, they say that they are going to use it.
This one can't be used like firewood because
you
see it's even coated with something else. Yeah,
and again they are going to use it again. Yeah, so they can't hawezi peana zote, and there is somewhere which will need timbers to use. Na watatoa wapi? They can't go and buy another timbers and they had another one here. Yeah, so guys,
and today we are here again just beside the
sock pit.
Beside the tank they have dug.
Yeah, they have dug
a sock pit.
Yeah, so yesterday they did the placing of the courses
of blocks.
Yeah, the courses of blocks. And today I can see he's plastering, but not that
it's just the rough cast.
The rough cast. He's just placing the rough cast, and then they will water smoothen baadaye. Yeah, so that's how the sock pit will look like, and the sock pit will be collecting wastewater from the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen, the pipe that was here, guys, they just removed it, iko huko ndani. Yeah, so it will be coming straight from here ikiingia hapa. Yeah, that will be easy. Instead of having a lot of water inside the septic tank, inajaza bure, and it can soak here down. Yeah, so that's how they did it. Yeah, and Tracy, hizi ni mawe kabisa, si ndio?
Hizi ni stones.
Ni stones? Okay.
They're not concrete blocks because the sock pit deals with liquid, not solid wastewater.
Yeah.
So, and at times the concrete blocks tend to absorb water.
Yeah.
Na sasa unaona hapa there'll be a lot of water being absorbed. Now, if the concrete blocks absorb water, zitaporomoka.
By the way, they will absorb water, so that's why they use it there.
The real stone.
The real stones.
Yeah.
Sikuwa najua hapo kwa mjengo tuseme ni chapa ni 10 mil. Na nimekubali guys. Oh, sorry.
Umeaccept?
Hapo napo nakubali.
So this is the kind of stone that they use, in case you've not seen well, because they have already plastered
huko.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, that's how the work is going on to the sock pit. And let's go to this wall here. They've just added.
Guys, for the sock pit, they have just begun. There is a lot to be done here
on
for
the
sock
upper
pit. Yeah, right now they're just dealing with the pit itself. Yeah, but with the time you'll see how they do the finishing.
Oh, the covering.
Yeah, the covering. The covering involves a lot, by the way. I just saw it on the other side. Sikujua it always takes it involves a lot of work.
Yeah. Hukujua? Can you explain? Can you give us a preview of?
A brief explanation.
Yeah. See, ni preview ama ni brief? Okay. Preview ni kuonyesha nini? Ama naongea tu ma stories zangu.
Preview. Preview. No, usifanye nifikirie.
Achana nayo.
Give your review.
Okay.
Give your review is what you think about something.
Okay.
Let me not go into that.
Yes.
Yeah. So for the sock pit, guys, they don't just do a normal cover on top. Yeah, they always do a unique cover because it's a big pit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if they just let's say if they decided to just place a board, maybe a board, and cover it with soil, people can step on it and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the sock pit, they always do a special type of cover. They always do a reinforced kind of cover whereby they shape or they bend some they shape some reinforcement bars. Yes, they always use D10 because D10 are strong. D10 are reinforcement bars for the cover. So they reinforce it, they lay on the top, and then after that they cast concrete inside the bars, the reinforcement bars, and after which they do a finish.
Yeah,
just not so smooth because unajua this is a sockage pit, it's not
Yeah.
a floor of a house. Yeah, so they do just a finish, a normal finish, and then that's it. Of course, they always leave a small space for inspection and maintenance purposes, which they always cover. Just a small space like the size of an inspection chamber. Yeah, actually it's an inspection chamber. Yes, to do the inspection and
If the
checking.
sock pit is
It's
on
okay if it's working well. Yeah, and times it also produces a lot of
full smell.
yeah, foul smell because of the wastewater from the kitchen. So in case they realize it's too much, they open and check where the problem is.
Yeah.
Unless I've left out something, Mercy J.
And how does it work?
The sockage pit works through two mechanisms: seepage and percolation. Seepage is where the ground seeps water, just from the word seeping.
Okay.
Yes, the water that comes from the and at times it's not just the sockage pit doesn't just work with it doesn't just seep wastewater, but also rainwater. In case you feel like you don't really need rainwater, you can collect it through one point with the gutters, of course, through the gutters, and then one pipe can be laid here, and then it can also be channeled to the sock pit. So we were saying that the sockage pit works through seepage and percolation. Percolation is it's almost the same thing as seepage, but now percolation is through, in case water makes its way through the stones, yes, and then through the vertical ground, that is percolation. But through the horizontal ground, now here chini, the base, that is seepage.
Thank you. Yes. Hey, congratulations. Now nimeacha tu ongea juu, guys. She has been talking. Kwanza video yake, I really talk a lot.
Yeah,
I really explain. Leo na nishakupata. Today.
Okay, let me hold the camera now.
Yeah, so we can continue.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, so guys, unafunika nini hapa?
Let's. Though there is a lot of sale, but we can just check.
Oh, it's an IC.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, hii ni leo alikuwa umetobolea. This one had not yet been constructed, right?
Haikuwa imeconstructiwa, but you see there is an IC there.
So, and guys, there is one thing I've realized about our inspection chambers. Now that we say that principles of drainage, we lay pipes in a straight line. Yeah. You can see where the first inspection chamber, it's right there. The second one is here, and then there is a smooth bend. Then it continues. So they are aligned.
They are aligned.
Hazijawekwa tu.
Yes, they are aligned. They are not on the straight line. So, ako huko juu. Ako kwa nyumba.
Ako home.
Okay, those are Haley's friends.
Yeah. They're looking for her.
They are looking for her so that they can see. Yeah. So guys, you see, ukiangalia vizuri from here, it's not straight. Have you realized?
Yeah.
There is a bend somehow. So in each bend, guys, in each bend in your drainage system, you must place an inspection chamber. Yeah, so that's why we have this one here, we have that one there, and we have another one there.
Yeah.
So it's to maintain the flow.
Yeah.
You see, bend, you form, you block, you kukulog, alafu after clogging,
block.
You see, yeah, that is it, guys. Yeah. So as a PHO Tracy, drainage system, is it good or?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. That's a tick. Yeah.
Thank you. And for water?
For water, it's also okay. Apart from this pipe, which we consulted with Tash and Evelyn, but they assured us that everything is okay because the type of block that was used on the house, it's too hard to work.
Yeah, it's too hard to work.
Yeah, so that's why you can see. Okay, it's us. In fact, it's us who said that we are not okay with that pipe protruding like that. Yeah.
And again, they say that if you hack the block that they use, if you hack it, kwenda ndani, it will form a crack. Now, having a crack in your house
inside the house,
new bado,
it's not good. So that's why they say that they'll be doing a molding.
Yes, they'll be doing a molding.
Yeah.
So, can we continue now?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, let's go, my girl. Yeah, so
oh, yeah.
Can we call this now? This one here.
No, this is just an extension of the
house.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one here, guys, they just built jana and the other day we were not around, so they placed the blocks, and yesterday they were doing the plastering. And again, you see, they have smoothened it. It's on a sharp.
It also has got very sharp corners, guys.
Yeah, you see? Sharp.
Hata nikisimama from here. In fact, if you stand from afar is when you see them well. Yeah.
It's very sharp. Yeah, and here they're going to place the cylinder.
Yeah.
Here they're going to do something like a cage.
Yeah.
Cage. Yeah, they're going to do something like a cage. Here, the gas cylinder will be placed here, and here, this other side here, they will place
washing machine.
Washing machine. Yeah, they're going to place a washing machine right here, down here. Yeah, so they're going to do something that will cover to guard it.
Yeah,
It's to guard it. To guard it so that it can. The rain when it rains and it's windy, isiendewe maji. Yeah, so that's how it will eat a porch.
Yeah,
the porch will be looking like. Sasa kuna kuja kukaa hapa nje. If you want to come and sit here, hapa kuna gas, hapa kuna washing machine. Maybe ukae hivi.
Hapo sasa.
Yeah, so maybe you sit here, then you have a look of your other neighbors from this side. Ama kama unataka kujificha. You know, it's good to me. It's good to have your own time.
Yeah.
At times meeting.
Kabisa. That meeting between you and you.
You and you. You're the secretary.
You're the chair lady or the chairperson.
You're the everything.
Yeah, you're the treasurer.
And you answer yourself, then you write notes.
Yeah. A minute.
My lord.
Yani you in your meetings you always write notes.
No. Pole, nimesahau. Okay.
You're almost letting me down, but uzuri umejikumbuka.
Yeah, so I think this sand down here, show them the sand.
Oh.
The sand down here is the one that they are mixing with cement so that they can use kwa nini uko sindio?
Yeah.
Ama wanataka kumix wa mwage. Ama ni yako. Oh, ni ya hiyo slab.
Oh, yeah.
So they have just got wamechanganya nini ndogo. Unasema ni gravel.
Yes.
The difference of this. Leo lazima
Ballast.
This and this. Which one is ballast? Which one is gravel?
Okay, all of them are ballast. These ones are ballast. But gravel, now gravel ni kokoto ile
kubwa.
Oh. Are we in agreement?
Sawa.
Yeah, this is just ballast but of different sizes. Yes.
It's fine. This is the fine one.
Yes.
Sawa. Leo nayo.
Mimi na wewe hapa.
Nimekubali.
Yeah. And I can see. They also dug these. Let's do with this first. They also did this. Inspection chamber ilikuwa.
Hii ilikuwa ni venye tu wameifunika. Nimesahau. Nini hii wanachimba hapa?
Hapa. Kwa itabidi uache kufikiria mingi.
Mimi nauliza.
Tulize.
The tool.
The maton. Ni maton. Kai. Matok. Yes.
Okay. I don't know what they're doing here.
Guys, you see how it looks? They have. Hey. Hii inakaa zile manholes za tao. Unaona zile manholes za tao zenye the ones for the municipal manholes always have got this shape. So anyway.
Okay.
Hi.
Nina chimbo hapa. Ya tank.
Ni base ile tank itakamia.
Tank. Na hii
Gani hiyo kuna tank nyingine italeta.
So they're going to have 2 tanks. Now you see, karibu ni overthink nianza kusema vitu zangu. Thank you.
Yani in as much as I tell you not to overthink, bado unataka ku overthink. Don't overthink.
I just started thinking, but you know I'm always a thinker.
You are? Sijakata. Sijakata. You are a thinker, lakini at times it's not good to overthink.
Nimeacha.
Good.
So this is the base of the other tank.
Yeah.
And I can see the nini. imepita chini ya kupeleka maji kwa the toilet.
Yeah, they really have to be careful.
Ama wakanywa.
No, see, no, this is just soil.
Yeah. Yeah, the green pipe you can see down there. It's the one that will be taking water from the water tower to this toilet here. Oh my God.
You better get off there, girl. Don't step on the edges, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so guys, and today, roofing of our
superstructure.
The roofing of our superstructure.
It's ongoing. It has just begun. Oh, they began yesterday by adding the extra cost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that it can get the slope. The slope shape. The slopey shape.
Yeah, sloppy shape.
Sloppy shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, and again they just did that. They're just placing the. Sasa hii yenye wana place ya kwanza ni
tie beam.
No.
Ebu, give me a minute. These are wall plates. Yeah.
It's a wall plate and they're hooping it. They're touching it to the hoop.
Wametumia hoop iron
to fix it to the wall.
Yeah.
We are not showing them. We are showing me hoop iron.
Oh.
Yeah.
So guys, you can see the hoop iron.
Is fixing it in place, ndio?
Yes, it's
so they can't nail mbao kwa the block.
Yeah.
It will burst. You can see when they just tried it like that.
True.
Yeah, so that's how the roofing has started, guys. Yeah, we can't wait to see now
This is just the first. Now this is the second step with the roofing.
Yeah.
The first step was laying. You can see a difference on the mortar, the other mortar, and the mortar up there. That one is a little bit wet. Yeah, so the one that looks wet is the the block that they added yesterday to start the roofing. To give a base for the laying of the wall plate. And then the second step is now fixing of the wall plate. Yeah. Guys, stay tuned and wait for the third step because we are here to show you.
Yeah, can we go inside and show them the progress?
Yeah.
But I'm afraid
why are you?
Because of the nails.
Oh, we can just show them from
here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Pale.
Yeah, so yesterday they did you see how they're falling?
Yeah.
So siwezi ingia ndani ama zinitoke macho. Yeah, so guys, they fixed the pipes for wastewater and clean water. I don't know if you can see. You see, guys, the pipe, this is for wastewater and this one here, the green one is for clean water. Yeah, so we'll be having the wash and basin right there, and again they're going to fix the toilets, the sitting. Yeah. I don't know if the sitting or the squatting.
We will see.
We will see. We'll wait and see. Yeah, and again here in the bathroom. Kumbe amekuja hii side. This is the bathroom. You can see. Me, I don't want to go near, guys, because I'm afraid of the nails. Yeah, so here they have not covered the pipe. Yeah, they will cover it today. So they did the plumbing. They just placed the pipes. Yeah, yes, ni shower, sindio? Yeah, the shower, and they're going to make a hole penye itakuwa inashuka chini kwa septic tank, sindio?
Yes.
Umepick. Yeah, so guys, that's how work is going on.
For the next structure, nothing will be done there because it's just a store.
Yeah, it's just a store.
And in the store, I don't think we need taps there.
What for? We'll be coming with water. We'll be fetching water to the other side.
Right,
we wash here. And again, if they have said the tap will be here. Si tutakuwa tunachota hapa tu tunaosha store. Yeah, and again, they are going to remove one brick huko for ventilation.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, so that we can't have things.
A stuffy store.
Yeah, stuffy store and some molds kumeamea kwa store. You know, a store is very iko funny. It's very funny. If
in fact, you can just unaweza pata iko tu because of the foul air, unapata the walls zimeanza kukua condensed.
Yeah, so guys, that's how work is going on
this side.
On this side here. Yeah, so ona venye anapika anakanyaga ukuta kwa ukuta. And he's not afraid. Alafu kuna mimi, guys. Now kuna mimi. Yeah, and I can say something here. They have hacked. They have just marked. Not hacked, marked. Okay, we say we don't be curious of anything. Let's wait and see what they're going to do here. Yeah, so guys, and the other place here, they have just levelized.
Leveling has not been done on this side.
Si wanamwaga nini?
They've just poured the soil.
The soil.
But they have not leveled.
Aki mgenvele zinanikalia vizuri. They look very nice. Yeah, so down here guys, they have just poured some soil. Yeah, and here they are going to, kufanya kupanda mboga hapa, si ndio? This will be the kitchen garden. So the one that was asking the kitchen garden itakuwa wapi, it will be right here guys. And yeah, so
now I think I now get why they were doing this protrusion.
For partitioning.
Yeah.
By the way, I get it. But wako na hiyo mind kweli. You know the protrusion are for reinforcing the wall.
I know.
But again they can just
work
as partition for the kitchen garden.
So that if they decide to plant collards here,
they plant here.
Collards from there
to the side, yes.
And spinach from here to the other one. Amaranth from there.
And you know there are two, maybe us, me and Tracy, add to
yes, you can also tell them what we think.
Yes. No, anasema if we plant vegetables here, hapa collards, hapo nini, spinach, uko Chinese cabbage, uko carrots, uko sijui nini, you know, there are two. Si ndio? Sasa si tukikuja kama wageni tutawasaidia kukula. Guys,
they should not even think twice.
And guys, do you know kununua mboga ni it's something like nasikianga vibaya nikinunua mboga. Guys, when I was Tracy, when we were in college, tulikuwa tunasikia vibaya tukinunua mboga.
Yeah, we used to buy you buy vegetables for 50 Kenyan shillings.
Imagine.
Like that's just for one meal. Maybe for supper or lunch.
Imagine na wanakuwekea kidogo. That hiyo tu kinunua mara moja. Unakula inaisha. Si eti sisi ni watu tunakula sana guys. Don't you? Tracy, am I like?
But it's good to eat vegetables.
It's good to eat vegetables, but not that we were taking a lot. No, we are not taking a lot.
Not in excess.
Not in excess. Yeah. So it's good to have your vegetables, your kitchen garden, and having your own vegetables. You know, even those are selling vegetables outside there. Zingine wanga zimekuwa sprayed with pesticides. But for you, you know, wewe mwenyewe ukipanda yako, it's not easy you spray them. And the pest to control peke yako. If you have like this portion here guys, this portion here, it's very easy to control pests. Ni ukweli? Yeah, instead of kumwaga pesticides, you just plant the pest. Ni pest what? Zinaitwanga je zile plant?
The marigold.
The marigold is the marigold. Yeah, that will be scaring away pests. Yeah, so that is it guys. This is the kitchen garden will be placed here, and this one they said it's a driveway.
Yes.
Oh, not a pathway. Pathway ni ya miguu.
Yes, and these ones are not walls of the driveway. They are
retaining wall.
Yeah,
retainer wall.
Yes.
Retainer walls. Yeah, so
when we saw it at first, we were just giving it our own names.
Yeah.
You know, this will be the pathway. You know, this will be the way. And now this is the wall, the boundary. In fact, we were calling it a boundary. Yeah.
Tulikuwa tumesahau ako kajina ka
retainer wall.
Yeah. So, but at least now you just reminded us it's not a boundary, it's a retainer wall. Yeah, so guys, this is the tank that will be itakuwa inaenda huko, sio? The place that we showed you that the tank will be going. Yeah, so this is the tank that will be going there. And this small one, now they won't hawajajaza maji hapa, sio? Let me see. Yeah, there is no water here. It's empty, so for them to carry it there, it must be empty, sio? So they're just using this small one here. Tracy ashaanza kunawa mkono yao.
I like water.
Yeah, water is life, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so guys, this is the water that they're using to the site there. So if they need water, they just pull up this pipe down here to just fill the water here. Sindio? You fill maji hapa, then waendelee kufanya kazi.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, that's how the work is going on, and I can't wait to see everything. Hi. Hello.
Let me first have a
Chacha Steve, hi.
Hi Masi, hi guys.
Welcome.
I'm Chacha Steve. You know, right now I'm boasting because I have a brand. Tracy.
Oh, I've not seen that.
Uko sure unachezanga number 10?
Yeah, of course. I used to be a footballer. Have you forgotten?
But unakuanga goalkeeper ama?
Before I shifted to the goalkeeper, I was playing number 10, striking. But nowadays, things went this way. I've forgotten even football.
But you know, doing exercise is good.
Responsibilities,
Yeah.
they just fix you in a point that you don't even practice your elation.
Yeah.
How are you people? I'm Chacha Steve. Thank you very much, Masi, for hosting me to your channel. You know, I usually call her bro.
Hey, bro.
Umaona sasa bro penye unatoka.
Acha I always call her bro na kwa vile za mbona unaniita bro?
Do you see this side?
You see?
I see.
Brotherhood.
Now, usikuna nilaumu mbona silei ages.
Okay.
You see where the name comes from? Umeelewa leo?
But the reason why, actually when I was away, she used to take my responsibilities.
Okay.
Like the cows, taking care of the cows. Yeah.
Hadi kulima shamba.
Hadi kulima shamba. I trained her how to hold a plow. Yeah. In fact, she used to do. She's the person who knew to hold a plow when she's younger than the others.
She's the one who teach me.
Yeah.
Hey, kuja nyumbani.
We are almost heading to
preparing the land.
Yeah.
Season.
Yeah,
Yes.
the plowing season.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be there.
Hope after graduation.
Tunaenda.
Hopefully. And it's good you said hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So guys, I'm Chacha Steve. Actually, I was also in that video that recording also.
Yes.
And I cannot just meet from our sister also.
From your bro.
My bro. Okay, let me call her bro.
Na mmenipea majina. Sijui ni ngapi sasa. Endeleeni tu kunipea.
It's okay guys. So continue supporting Masi J, and I really appreciate for the good work that you are doing, and also to our sister Tracy. Keep supporting them guys. Let's grow together. This is a family.
Yeah.
And the way you are giving us support, we really appreciate it. Don't take it for granted guys. So thank you very much. I've been sent for Houston.
Okay.
Also will be coming with her. Then she will have a shout out with her.
Okay.
Let me bring them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, hata nimesahau kitu. So, have you noticed sasa? Umenotice mimi bro?
Yeah.
Guys,
Now I know
alikuwa
where
ananiambianga sijui lay
I know where
ages do what.
I know where the brotherhood came
The
from.
brotherhood came from. Let me tell you, unajua Steve alikuwa the time that I was Steve alikuwa ananibeba, tunaenda kinyozi na yeye. Steve was carrying me guys. She tells if I come out from school, ananiambia bro, twende tunyoe. We go and sit to baba, he shave us, ananyoa Steve, akishamaliza Steve ama ananianzia. Akishamaliza na tunanyoa style moja. Bro. Sasa nikikwambia naeka dread akinielewa.
Understood.
You understood now?
I understand you now.
Yeah, so that's where the brotherhood came from.
Okay, God.
Yeah,
And they're here?
They're right here. Hey, Darren. Hi, Papa. Hi.
Whatever serious son I have.
Aki ako serious. Ona tu. Hata usmile.
If he happens to be carried by you, you are lucky.
Saya amenikataa.
We say uko na nyota. Nyota, tutafuta nyota. Lote wenye anawacheki.
Ala anatuangalia. Tafuta nyota.
Do you see how the looking style is?
Ana bend kichwa kidogo. Anakutaimu hivi. Wewe sasa wewe.
Anajua tu peleke mkono.
Okay. Yeah, so guys.
Houston is here.
Hi, Houston. You're fine. Welcome. Sasa mimi ndo naku welcome sasa hapa. Huko tukienda ni wewe utani welcome. Unataka kamera? Shika. You want to shoot? Wait. Oh, kama atakukatalia baba kidogo nitakupea, sawa? Sawa baba.
Hivi ndio atasumbua mama.
Okay. Enda kwa baba.
Twende.
Aya. Yeah, so Houston, kindly introduce yourself.
Okay. I call by the name of Steve. I'm happy to be welcomed at your home.
Zimeisha.
Don't have much to say. I have no much to say.
Umechoka?
I feel like sleeping.
Okay.
You should finish up faster and go
And
have some
something.
rest.
You know guys, they just traveled tonight, sindio?
Oh, and it's for the first time I've just met you, Steve.
Oh, introduce yourself.
Oh,
But you know me.
Kwa TV.
oh.
Na kwa si kwa real.
Hi, Houston. My name is Tracy _KE. That is my YouTube name, but I'm Tracy. Yes, and it's a pleasure knowing you and meeting you. And welcome so much on this side of the country.
Thank you.
Hapa ni kwenu. Amekuintroduce ni kama hapa ni kwao.
Kwingine.
Sasa anaishi huku jamani.
Pole basi, pole.
Mbona yeye amesema ni kwao? Kwani yeye ni kwao?
Hapo sasa.
Pole.
Tunakupin.
Ni mnipin tu. Kwa hivyo mmeungana.
Si ndio?
Okay.
Si kwao. Sasa usiambie mwingine kwani ni kwenu. So long as anaishi.
Oh, amekuja amekupata, si ndio?
So it's me to tell her welcome home.
Okay. Yeah, and
I'm welcoming you to the other home.
I'll be coming there full force.
amesema nakuja kushika ile jembe ya kulima na ng'ombe.
Kushika. Unajifunza
Shika. Lakini nitakujua mnifunze.
lakini Masia anajua anaweza kufanya hapo sasa.
Sasa siku unaniona hivi. Guys, unajua venye anasemanga mimi ni weak. Let me say anasemanga mimi ni weak.
At working and talking or what? Talking you have a lot of energy to talk.
Ananiona hata nikite before I walk. Sasa unaona mama tena kama umetoka.
Kumbe kwa ground mambo ni different.
Mama ni different, guys. Yeah, so thank you, welcome here. Yeah, sasa mliniambia mmenikujia, tutaenda. Hata nitaenda. Ngoja tu. Mmeometi nimeoverstay. You know they told me that I have overstayed here.
Lakini
Tumekaa how many months?
tumekaa. It's been 2 months now.
2 months. This is the 3rd month.
The 3rd month.
Tukimaliza hii sasa tunaingia 4th month.
Things are getting serious. Yeah, we need to.
Okay, we'll just
Don't worry. We'll
don't
do
worry.
something about that. Don't worry.
Or if you are going, you come up there at our home there. You stay again 2 months. Everybody to depart again.
Okay. We'll see how to go about that.
Yeah, so I think they wanted you to go and introduce yourself to huko. Yeah, so you can just go and say hi. Ama wamezima kamera.
But see, they can as well do it.
They can just
Ndio alikuwa anafanya na shatoka.
anasi ako na kamera
Camera
na nini na microphone. You can just go and do it.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's go. Let's continue with our video, guys. Yeah, and here they are just ni kulima. Digging the soil. Yeah. Bro, tuzimia nini? Muziki. Tunapita. Yeah, so guys, they're just digging the soil. Sijui wataipeleka wapi sasa hii. Hapo I don't want to say anything because I don't know what's next here. Sindio? Yeah, let us wait and see what's next here. Yeah, and we see what they want to do. Here, right here. Yeah, hata tujaingia ndani by the way.
No, tujaingia.
Tunaweza ingia?
Twende.
Tuwapitishe 1 2 3. Sindio? Yeah, guys, and they just fixed the locks and you can see how beautiful the locks are.
Yeah.
You see? Siku hizi Tasha ananiringianga na kifunguo.
Na lock.
Na lock set. I'm going to close my house. Yeah, you see how the locks are very smooth.
strong.
They are strong and they nini easily. Sindio? Yeah, and let's get inside and show you. Yeah, and I can see up here they've just laid Yeah, you can see the black and blue. Unaweza eka tu. They're up here, they're just doing the plumbing. No, it's the piping. Yeah, electric piping of the wires for electricity. Yeah, so they're doing it here and they're doing it the other side again. Yeah, I think we can go there. These are the pipes that they're using, guys. Yeah, these are the pipes, and here is Chalakush.
Yeah, Chalakush is back.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I just came. I just flashed by.
Yeah.
You are saying I should have waited
for them to kuingiza ndani, they give you a tour. Ama hapa ulishaingia. Oh.
I was talking with the electrician.
Oh.
How he's doing the wiring.
Yes.
You can see he's doing it.
Okay. Yeah. And how is the work going? You see?
So far so good. I'm coming from the back.
Yes.
And I can see a lot of progress. A lot of things.
Yeah. The house now is coming into beautiful.
And in the next few minutes, imagine maybe in a month it will be ready to move in or less.
Yes, ni ukweli. Si sasa imebaki ceiling, it has made on the ceiling and the painting, si ndio? Ama sini hiyo tu ndio imebaki na window panes.
Ceiling na tiles. Ukiweka ceiling na huku kuna kwamba tu according maybe doing the skimming. Okay, let's say someone wants to move into this house.
Yes.
What you need first, you pull in electricity. So wiring is ongoing.
Yes.
So let's assume that's done. Then we go to ceiling. You do the ceiling. You get it done.
Yes.
You fix the window panes.
Yes.
And then you come do the skimming. And then they do
the floor.
The floor. That's
okay.
a good one.
Sawa sawa.
So maybe you can go check.
Yeah.
I want to go and finish up something there in the house, and then maybe you can see you later. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Whose video is it?
Mine.
If it's your video,
yes.
Tracy is the one who should be holding your camera.
She was doing that.
So huko
ni venye tu tuna alternate kuchoma kidogo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, that's how the piping has been done to the other side. Yeah. Let's enter in this bedroom and see how it's been done.
So in this bedroom we don't have a lot of pipes because they also do it according to how big the
provision of the sockets.
Yeah.
It's according to the sockets.
Yes.
It's according to the sockets. And
Yeah.
inside here you can see is this one and the other one. Now
The main switch.
Yeah, so we don't have a lot of pipes inside.
Yeah.
Hata usipoangalia vizuri, ukipeleka macho hivi utaona. Yeah, so that's what has been done here
inside the house.
Inside this house.
Yeah.
It's the same as the other.
True. On the other rooms, yeah.
The other rooms. So guys,
with the piping of the electric wires,
yes.
It's nothing much.
Yeah,
it's just the pipes and the wires, and that's it. The same thing is done on the whole house.
Ni kuensure tu wire hii imekuja imeshika hapa, imekuja imeshika hapa. It's not that much. Alafu even it's they must be sensitive on venye wanashikanisha hizo vitu.
Yeah.
To avoid inakwanga
electrocution.
Yeah, inside the house. Other people do the electricity. Na ukienda kushika tu switch hivi. Shock.
Sure.
Yeah, so they must ensure that the switches, the electricity ina pass vizuri and to kwanza umei experience nini ya fire from electricity.
Yeah.
Compare that thing is very bad.
It's bad.
You can anytime ikilipukia hata hapa kutembea hadi huko ni shida guys. It's all over. You see like this one here imepita hapa juu.
Yeah.
So now imagine and electricity, let me say it's somehow sensitive. If it detects to fire heavy from the other socket, it's inashika kwote nyumba mzima. So if the electrician hata ifanya vizuri, we have a problem. And I think they hired an expert.
Yes, of course.
So he's doing his job, and he's on the other side doing the job. Yeah, I think that's all about the house.
Yeah, inside the house it's just piping.
And lock fixing only.
Yeah.
Yes, and the the outside I've just shown you.
Yeah.
Studio.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so guys, that's all about. I think we can go and end the video outside. Studio. Sasa hapa ndani hatujaingia video. Yeah.
It's because of the lighting.
Yeah, because of the lighting. Oh.
Better be
Because of the
careful.
lighting, we can't.
Aya, unaweka music yako sasa.
Nipunguzia sauti kidogo tu. Yeah, so guys, I've just said that I will come outside here and end my video.
Yeah.
I want to thank you for coming along with us. Ndio?
Yeah.
Ni coming along ama ni coming
Yes.
kutembea na sisi hivi?
Coming ama
Ni coming along.
yes.
That English, guys. English teachers. Yeah,
Sorry. Even call grasses anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video until to this end. May God bless you. Kindly go and support our channels. My channel is Mercy J, the one that you are watching,
And mine is Tracy_KE.
Yeah, Tracy_KE. So kindly guys, go and check and support us by watching. Don't skip those ads, guys. And we have also playlists. You can just watch them. Yeah, so that you can connect where we started and where we are right now. And you tell us you've just improved or bado tunaongea.
Hey, kwanza mimi guys, when I started I was so naive, like, hey, hi guys.
Me too, I started
My
like
name
that.
is Tracy_KE and welcome. So
Pole tu. How come I stress?
but anyway, this far we've come, we say hallelujah.
Yeah, so thank you guys. I think
Yeah.
now we can say goodbye to them.
Yes, see you in Mercy J's next video and my video too. Bye.